This is the video for lesson 30 on my website, Solving Basic Combination Problems, the Counting Principle. Here's a typical problem involving this topic. Steve has 3 different shirts and 4 different pairs of pants. How many different outfits can he make using a shirt and a pair of pants? Now some students will immediately say, well, how do I know that each shirt matches each pair of pants? For these problems, we don't do that. It's not a matter of fashion. We just make the assumption that every shirt can be combined with any pair of pants. One way to solve this problem is using a tree diagram. What I can do is I can call the first shirt A, and then show that shirt A can go with any of the 4 pairs of pants. Let's call them 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then shirt B, a different shirt, could be matched with any of the 4 pairs of pants. And the same for shirt C. Can go with any of the 4 pairs of pants. Now if we count up the combinations, we'll see that there are 12 possible branches. So there's 12 possible outfits he can make. There's a much easier way to do this. All we have to do is see that there are 3 different shirts, and each shirt can be paired with 4 different pairs of pants. So our answer is simply 3 times 4, which of course is 12. We just multiply the values given. Let's try that for this example so we don't have to make such a large tree diagram. Jane has 2 different shirts, 3 different pairs of pants, and 4 hats. How many different outfits can she make using a shirt, a pair of pants, and a hat? Now if we tried to make this using a tree diagram, we would have an entirely extra set of branches to account for the hats. In a case like this, it's much easier to just multiply the values given. So she has 2 shirts multiplied by 3 pairs of pants multiplied by 4 hats. And our answer is simply 24. We call this the counting principle. Basically all it is that in problems like this where any component of the outfit can be matched with any other component, we simply multiply the values given. Once you know how to do that, these problems become very, very quick, and you can solve them very quickly and very easily. This is just an introduction to this concept. In later lessons, we'll learn how to work with this more. For example, if there's certain restrictions on what components can go with other components and things like that. For now, just memorize this basic concept of how we multiply the values given.